So here we are back on a different day. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the journey. So today is Sunday, and Sunday around here is normally like a free-for-all. So we basically do whatever we want to do type thing. If you've got your own project to work on, you go work on that. Saturdays is kind of like the family day to where we will sit around, the dinner table, or we'll watch movies, or we'll play games, or just whatever. Go someplace, as a family. Which, we try to do that, during the week as well. But during the week, right, that's putting in the work of the jobs or whatever we're actually working on. So today, I don't know if you can see right here, I'm actually over in the blacksmith shop. So I have not been able to get into the blacksmith shop since we've moved because of this. There's junk everywhere. So it's going to be like this for a little while. Plus, this is the temporary blacksmith shop. This was a building that was already in place. All right, there was another false wall that was here. I do have a post here that I'm going to eventually put another little just fake roof right here. That way I can kind of bring stuff out to work on it. But as of right now, I have the coal forge right here in the corner. You can see there's a hole right there. So I need to get some type of vent hood going, and that's actually what that tank is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and utilize that just as a temporary vent hood. And then I also have some piping that I can put up here. Probably not enough to be able to go up and over the roof, but I'll get it to go as high as I can. And yeah, that's what I'm working on today. So if you're wanting to follow along with that journey of me working in the blacksmith shop, then I'll go ahead and throw you guys a time lapse. We'll get some work done. And then once I'm done getting all this stuff set up and such, then I'll come back and we'll chit chat a little more. All right, so let's get busy. Oh man, that last pipe was a workout. And it's still not even all the way seated down. So I'm gonna have to go get the taller ladder. But I think it'll be okay for now. So I'm gonna go get some paper and I'm gonna get a fire started up in there and just see what it does. I mean, even if a little bit of smoke comes back into the space, that's fine. I've dealt with that before. As long as the majority of it is going out the vent, I think I'll be okay. So anyway, let's go get a drink of ice cold tea, go get some burning materials, and be right back. Okay, well, I thought I had some old newspaper, which I probably do somewhere, but anyway, I went and gathered up some pine, some cedar clippings. It's got some old wood, wooden pieces. I don't know, some old redwood, which this redwood actually doesn't even burn that well. Can't even get this paper to burn. Let's see. Well, this is a epic fail. I always use newspaper. I can't find any right now, so I'll be right back. Going where it's supposed to go. Yeah, I'm gonna go get the ladder and I'll try to get at least 2 more pieces because I have some of that as well. I can probably even try to do all 3. Just get it up and over the roof line, but it's actually a tall enough space that even though some of the smoke is coming back into the space, it's all staying up in the upper areas, and all the wasps and the dirt doggers are not liking me right now, which is fine because they're all going to vacate. Get on out. But there's enough gaps up at the top of the roof line that a lot of that smoke is also going out that way. So, but we got smoke rolling, y'all. So the blacksmith shop is open for business. Well, kind of, because I don't really make anything to sell, but I have been wanting to get, a few of our family, some of our local community over to be able to do a little bit of blacksmithing and such. Even though the shop is a horrible mess right now, I will get it kind of put together. But at least onesies and twosies, I can always get 1 to 2 people out here at a time. If you want to start swinging some hammers, start making some stuff, come on out. Let me know. Shoot me a message. And all right, let's get some metal hot and let's do something. But that'll be for another video for y'all. All right, y'all. So we definitely appreciate you guys for following the journey. Man, I'm so happy that I got the Blacksmith temporary shop up and going again, even though I need to add some more pipe. But I'll go ahead and do that off film, off camera, and happy, because normally Sundays, this is where I like to be, in a blacksmith shop, doing my thing. So, all right, you guys. So last but not least, remember to always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day, and we'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.